What is Google Bard? Hey everyone, ever heard of Google? Don't worry, most people haven't. Today, we're demystifying this AI you might see popping up. Buckle up, because Bard is about to get interesting. Imagine a super brain trained on mountains of text and code. That's Bard, Google's brand new AI that can chat, answer questions, and even write stuff. Think of it as a smarter Google search that talks instead of showing just links. You name it, Bard can probably do it. Want to know the best hiking trails near you? Just ask. Need help understanding a tricky scientific concept? Bam! Bard explains it like you're five. Feeling creative? Let Bard craft you a poem or even a script. Unlike some chatbots, Bard isn't just programmed with specific responses. It learns and adapts as we interrupt, getting better and more helpful every day. Think of it as your AI buddy getting smarter with every chat. The future is a mystery, but Bard is definitely a fascinating glimpse into it. AI like Bard could change how we learn, create, and connect. It's still early days, but the possibilities are exciting. So there you have it. Google Bard, your new AI friend, is here to chat, answer, and maybe even inspire. Want to try it out yourself? Head over to bard.google.com and see what this brainy bot can do. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.